we're going to make bacon-wrapped stuffed okra. It's a local vegetable, but it's not a Chinese style of cooking it. Before we get started, let me show you how to get notifications of my next videos when you subscribe by clicking the bell beside the subscribe button. Hey everybody, what time is it? It's cooking time. I've slit the okra down the middle. I've mixed the cream cheese with seasoning, and I'm stuffing the okra. Fast forward and all the okra are stuffed. I did use 3 ounces, which is about 100 grams of cream cheese seasoned, and it was just enough to fill these 11 okras. And you'll find the recipe at the end of this 2-minute video. Perhaps you're wondering what those huge cups are behind me. It's yummy cold tea that my friends and I have been ordering recently. Okay, I'm going to put them in the oven and bake them for maybe 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180, 200 degrees Celsius. Bacon wrapped stuffed okra. Cooking them for 25 minutes at 400 degrees was just perfect. I did them in my air fryer, and I'm going to tell you, I had one without the bacon. Awfully good. Next stop, one with bacon. Let's see. Really yum. Well, I gotta tell you, one of the things that I remember not liking and still don't like about okra is that they're stringy. So you really need a knife and fork for most of them. They don't get soft enough. My email address is below, so you can email me and I'll send you the recipe. Hey everybody! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, My Golden Years, Fortune Cookies in my matzo ball soup. And you can leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. So have a great day and bye for now.